Hold on tight, pioneers, because what we're about to uncover might just change the entire game for Picoin. Picture this, millions of tokens moving like chess pieces, new trading pairs lighting up the charts, big exchanges opening doors, and the price, oh yes, the price, coiling up like a spring, ready to leap or collapse. Right now, Picoin is dancing on the edge of something massive, a potential breakout that could shock the whole Pi network community. But here's the twist. Even as optimism grows and adoption spreads, Pi is battling some serious resistance. Will it smash through that wall and hit new highs, or are we bracing for a surprise drop that could rattle every pioneer? In today's video, we'll break down the explosive setup forming on the charts, the rumors swirling around exchange withdrawals, why some traders are betting big, and what all of this could mean for Pi's price in the coming weeks. Now here's the big question for you. Do you think Pi will break above $1 soon, or are we heading back under 60 cents first? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, check out my previous videos to catch up on the latest Pi network development. Link in the description below. And before we dive in, I want you to type Pi network to the moon and drop your country name in the comment section. Let's see how global the Pi community really is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's the best way to support this channel so we can keep bringing you updates straight from the Pi universe. Also, join my Telegram group and Facebook page for more real-time discussions and updates. Quick reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. It's not financial advice. Alright, let's get started. Alright, pioneers, let's talk Pi. Right now, the community is buzzing louder than ever. Everyone's watching the charts like hawks, hoping for that big move, but also dreading what might come next. Picoin has been bouncing around, stuck just below that stubborn 84 cents resistance level. The open mainnet is live, mining has stopped, and the future of Pi is now playing out in real time on global exchanges. Now here's where things get interesting. Pi's price action has been forming what analysts call a symmetrical triangle. Sounds fancy, but what it really means is that the price is squeezing tighter and tighter between support and resistance, like a rubber band pulled to its limit. And what happens when a rubber band snaps? Boom! A breakout. In this case, traders are eyeing a possible 20% breakout. What's driving this tension? For one, Pi's open interest just spiked to $21 million, with a whopping $3 million added in just 6 hours. That means traders are piling in, placing bets, and bracing for impact. And get this, the funding rates have flipped positive again. Translation? More buyers are jumping in, confident that Pi's value is heading up, not down. But it's not just technical patterns causing all the drama. Real-world events are playing a huge role too. On May 27th, MESC dropped a bombshell, the launch of the PI/USD1 trading pair. Analyst Dr. Altcoin thinks this move could change everything. Why? Because a USD1 pair, unlike a typical stablecoin pairing, brings more visibility, liquidity, and trust to the table. It could make Pi more attractive to serious investors and help pull the price out of this sideways slump. Still, it's not all sunshine and moonshots. Resistance at 84 cents has been rock solid. The 50-day EMA is acting like a brick wall, and even if Pi breaks through, there's another level of resistance waiting at $1.15. On the flip side, the safety net is thinning. If Pi slips below 74 cents and then crashes past 52 cents, it could trigger a deeper correction that no one wants to see. So where do we stand right now? Pi is hovering near 74 cents, consolidating, gathering strength, and waiting for a trigger. And those triggers might be just around the corner. We're talking about major mainnet updates, new exchange listings, and even potential strategic partnerships that could blast Pi into a whole new league. Technically, Pi's indicators are sending mixed signals. Many moving averages are still flashing sell, but the stochastic oscillator is starting to whisper something different, a possible bounce. Traders call this an accumulation phase. That's when smart money slowly starts to buy, patiently waiting for a breakout to confirm their move. And let's not forget what happened earlier this month. Pi started May like a rocket, surging 190% to reach $1.67. But just as fast as it rose, the price tumbled back down by 55%, and we've been stuck in sideways traffic ever since. A huge chunk of that pressure came from a major unlock event. By the end of May, 37 million tokens were set to be released, including $13.5 million worth unlocked just today. That's a lot of Pi hitting the market, and it's no surprise the price cooled off after such a powerful start. Meanwhile, whispers of insider activity have added a whole new layer of tension to the ongoing Pi network drama. The sudden withdrawal of over 102 million Pi tokens from OKX sent shockwaves through the community, leaving many pioneers with more questions than answers. Was this an organized move by early insiders taking profits? Or perhaps a strategic shift to private wallets ahead of a bigger announcement? While some saw it as a bullish signal, proof that big players still believe in Pi, others couldn't shake off the uneasy feeling that something behind the scenes wasn't adding up. In a space where transparency is key, such massive movements without clear communication tend to spark speculation, and right now theories are flying left and right. In the hours following the withdrawal, the price reacted quickly. Pi surged past 80 cents, an instant adrenaline rush for traders who'd been watching the charts stagnate. But just as fast, reality kicked in, and the price retraced to 77 cents, leaving many wondering if the pump was organic or artificially triggered, a question that continues to fuel heated debates across the community. This kind of sharp volatility isn't uncommon in the world of crypto, but when it's tied to massive, unexplained transactions like the sudden withdrawal of millions of Pi tokens, it hits differently and raises red flags. It highlights just how emotionally charged and reactive the Pi ecosystem has become, where confidence can soar or crumble based on a single wallet movement. Every surge sparks hope, every dip stirs doubt, and every transaction, especially those shrouded in secrecy, sends shockwaves that ripple across social media, trading platforms, and pioneer discussions worldwide. Whether this was a bullish play or just noise, one thing's certain: the eyes of the entire Pi community are now watching OKX like hawks. Zooming out, the bigger picture shows Pi building real momentum toward mainstream adoption. With MEXC and BitGet both supporting the USD1 pair, Pi is looking more legitimate in the eyes of the broader crypto market. And that legitimacy is key if we're ever going to see Pi listed on the big players like Binance or Coinbase. So what should we expect next? According to analysis from CoinDCCX, if Pi manages to break past that stubborn 84 cents mark, the 50-day EMA, it could trigger a fresh wave of bullish momentum. The month may end with Pi hovering between 68 cents and 74 cents, but don't let the calm fool you. The setup is there. The tension is real. The breakout or breakdown is coming. The big question is, are you ready? So there you have it, pioneers. Picoin is coiled up tight, bouncing between resistance and support, and traders are watching like hawks for that breakout moment. From new trading pairs to millions of tokens moving on exchanges, every signal is pointing to something big on the horizon. Whether it explodes up or down, one thing is clear: this is a crucial moment for Pi Network's price journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more Pi Network updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's how you can help us keep bringing you all the latest developments from the world of Pi. Now I've got a question for you. Do you believe Pi will finally break above $1 this month, or are we going to revisit that scary 60-cent zone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've got any questions or insights, feel free to share them too. I read every single comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.